the verb durchführen. Führen means to guide, but with this suffix it has more details. Durch by itself means through. So when you go through something like a bridge, you need to pass all the pieces of the bridge to reach the other side. Then all the pieces, all the details. Durch, all the details. This is wherever you face durch. This is the meaning. Now, the first meaning of durchführen is to accompany during something as a guide. Accompany or guide both means führen. During, durch. Hat uns durch die ganze Ausstellung durchgeführt. Translation: He accompanied us as a guide throughout the show. The second meaning: to extend, passing a certain area. Extend here, führen, because the road guide himself, now passing durch. The road guided himself through the area. Die neue Autobahn führt mitten durch die Stadt durch. Translation: The new motorway extends through the city. The next meaning: to perform or achieve, and often something planned with all its details. So perform, führen, all its details durch. Ein Vorhaben, einen Plan, einen Beschluss durchführen. And notice here, Vorhaben. The N here is nearly like M in pronunciation. Vorhaben. The execution of a project, an order, a plan, or a decision with all its details. The next meaning: to be busy, executing with a necessary manner to reach the planned results. Executing, führen. But when you want to reach the planned results, you must follow and guide yourself through necessary manner, through necessary details. And this is durch. Eine Arbeit, eine Operation, Messungen durchführen. The busyness of executing a work, surgery, or measurements as decided. And look, when you know the real meaning, how you conclude from one word this long translation. Now your translation is precise. The next meaning: to run a thing with perseverance and coherence, to bring it to its end without any slowdown or excuses of delay what was agreed on. So run, führen, but when you want to bring it to its end, you must pass all its details, and it's durch. Etwas lässt sich auf die Dauer nicht durchführen. Translation: something that cannot be achieved within the determined period, whatever seriously it is done. Notice the long translation, because German language has short words but have a big meaning, and this is not all the translator can give you. Ein gut durchgeführter Gedankengang. Translation: a sequence of ideas was performed well, logically, and comprehends all the details. The last meaning: to create, organize, or make. When you want to organize something, you must to guide the operation of organizing. And when you want to organize something, you must to take care about all the details to know where to put every piece of the operation. So organize is durch and führen at the same time. Eine Zählung durchführen. Translation: making accounting. Eine Sammlung durchführen. Translation: creating an administrative body. We reach the end of this video, but not before we give you the conclusion, the summary of all of these meanings. To run something and taking care of all its details. And we reached the end of this video.